Music has that ability to make us feel a certain way, a certain state of mind. I have a deep love for music, dance, and production. For anyone that's creative, you need an outlet. That outlet for me is through my music and dance. Inspiration can be found anywhere. For me, it's Cape Town. It is so sonically rich. The mix of sights and sounds. It has a rhythm. Creativity comes to life when you put yourself in the real world. Then, it's on the tools to make it come to life. That's why I enrolled at ASE, to master the tools to drive my passion further. I'm Jaden Goff. Join me on my journey of sound inspiration.